business management. So I've been using lately computers, gadgets, internet, and different platforms for a long time. But nevertheless, I still lack of knowledge about it. But with this subject, it helps me to aid and cope up and gain awareness. So what is empowerment technology? According to William and Sawyer 2015, empowerment technologies is the foundation of knowledge and skills that is used to succeed in an environment. So it requires the use of computers and internet.
I have learned that empowerment technologies is a contextual subject that includes the state of ICT technologies, online system, platforms and function, online safety, security and etiquette, online search and research skills, apply productivity tools with advanced application techniques, basic principles of graphic layout, and combining text, graphics, and images. One of the unforgettable experiences is using the Google's Internet. It provides awareness online regarding on safety, security, and etiquette in each vehicles. It aids to provide prior knowledge that we all need using a simple game. In addition, this will aid to teach children how to properly use the internet in a very thrilling way. This shows our last project in creating visual sites, and it taught me the basic principles of graphic layout, combining text, graphics, and images.
I realized that it has a big impact, especially in choosing which online platforms we will choose, because every platform has a different use and function.
And lastly, I've learned that ICT is a very broad, functional, and interesting subject. It provides the knowledge that we can use that aids us on our daily life and needs. That's all. Thank you.